Do you love the cozy vibe of candles but want a safer, more relaxing way to enjoy them? Then you totally need to get this candle warmer lamp from LUREXA. Hey guys, I'm Rebecca with WTI, and this candle warmer doesn't just work well, it also looks absolutely stunning. The flowered glass lampshade is so elegant, and the soft blue shade adds the prettiest touch of color to any room. When it's turned on, it gives off the warmest glow that instantly makes your space feel calm and cozy. I especially love using it while I'm reading because it creates such a peaceful atmosphere. It melts your candle from the top down with no open flame, which means no smoke, and a safer option for your home. It also includes 2 light bulbs, so you're ready to use it right away. There's a built-in timer that you can set for 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours, which is perfect for evenings when you just want to relax and not worry about shutting it off. And I love that you can adjust the brightness to 25%, 50%, 75%, or even 100%, which not only controls the lighting mood, but also how strong your candle scent is. So if you want to add a touch of elegance and make every evening feel extra special, you have to check out this candle warmer. And that's my point of view.